Surely, summer is a most awaited season as we all look forward to fun adventures. Whether your preference is to bathe in the sun by the beach or go somewhere cold, nothing beats the summer lifestyle that we have planned for so long. But aside from that, other things are great to include in your summer to-dos. So, for today's video, we will talk about the ultimate summer bucket list that you should include in your summer plans.
Do you like our videos? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notified of our latest videos.
And without further ado, let's get started. Starting off the list at number 10 is Detox from technology. Summer is best to start fresh, and that includes some technology detoxing. You can do it by spending a few days detoxing from electronics. Spend 2 or 3 days without your phone, computer, and TV to build deeper relationships with your loved ones, friends, and the natural world. In this era where we are so used to having our gadgets every day, this may be very challenging, but it works wonders to make your summer greater. Your physical and mental health, attention span, problem-solving abilities, and even creativity can all be enhanced by a digital detox. It's an essential technique for lowering stress, hence having a fresh start for summer. Next at number 9 is Explore a national park. You'll surely have plenty of time during summer, so might as well spend it productively by getting to know the national parks in your area or other places. For instance, the United States national parks offer a wealth of opportunities for exploration and discovery. These parks make excellent summer vacation locations because they provide challenging hikes and spectacular views. You can do lots of activities when you go to national parks, such as camping, picnicking, hiking, picture taking, and more, which are great physical activities. This summer, visit a park you've never been to or one that is close to your heart. For more fun, bring your loved ones with you. Next in line at number 8 is Ride a roller coaster. This is also the perfect season to conquer your fears and try something adventurous. And you can do it by riding a roller coaster. Find a gentle roller coaster to overcome your fear of heights, or ride a big coaster to experience an adrenaline rush. You can visit Ohio's Cedar Point Amusement Park to ride one of the tallest roller coasters in the world if you're looking for the most thrills. You can also travel to New Jersey's Six Flags Great Adventure Park to ride the nation's fastest roller coaster. Before you go, don't forget to consume some amusement park sweets. No matter what your age is, take the roller coaster ride as a metaphor for your life up and down. Additionally, screaming together at the top of your lungs is just simply enjoyable. Coming in at number 7 is Attend a summer festival. Of course, the season will not be completed without a summer festival. This summer, attend a fun festival. Wine festivals, fruit festivals, and every type of music festival in between are held in towns and cities all over the United States. Visit a town you've never been to and join the celebration there. Visit craft booths, eat seasonal and local cuisine, and get to know the town's history. For better enjoyment, attend a festival that will feature your favorite musicians, or go to a local festival to hear some new music. This is your sign to take all the money you've been saving to buy your favorite artist's concert ticket. Next at number 6 is Splash at a water park. Beat the summer heat with some cool water. If you are an adult, this is the perfect time to escape your hectic lifestyle and go have some fun in water parks. Plus, the children will surely enjoy it, and you have all the rights to enjoy it with them. Try the biggest slide or buy the cutest floaters. The best part about going to water parks is that have so many activities for all ages. These theme parks contain everything that a person may want, from screaming their guts out to enjoying a smooth slide, swimming, and playing ball with their kids, to just relaxing, taking in the sun, and working on their tan. Let's continue with number 5, barbecue some new recipes. Let us not forget about eating. All seasons are best enjoyed with food, right? But what is more fun than eating food that you cooked yourself? Fortunately, summer is also the perfect to go out and have a barbecue party with friends or family. Whether it is in your residence or an outdoor picnic area, try out new barbecue recipes. You can find some in cookbooks or watch some YouTube tutorials. Or for more fun, create your barbecue recipe. Grill meats that you haven't tried before. Create new sauce and dippings. Serve beautiful and delicious salads. Take a break from your go-to dishes and grill something different. This summer, venture outside your comfort zone and experiment with brand new barbecue food. There is an endless possibilities for creating new recipes. Next at number 4 is Take a road trip. Another activity that will surely be enjoyed by everyone of all ages is taking a road trip. Go on a weekend road trip to a new location. Plan a stress-free weekend getaway that will take you somewhere new and provide you with some amazing new experiences. You may decide to take a lengthier road trip to check off more locations from your summer travel wish list. Or you can have a road trip goal. Along with your road trip, Visit your favorite restaurant, park, or other location in your hometown at least once this summer. You might not get the chance to travel for a while. Visit a location in your hometown that you have never been to when you're out and about. Whether it turns out to be a positive or negative experience, you will always remember the time you spent with your student right before a significant life shift. Coming in at number 3 on the list is, try whitewater rafting. Of course, your summer season will not be completed without an active water experience. Try whitewater rafting if you want a memorable experience and want to face your fears. The best part of trying the whitewater rafting is you get your adrenaline rush and you feel it pumping through your veins. You will feel so alive while on it. The water splashes from the river to your face can be very cold and refreshing, and that sudden dropping feeling when you go over a waterfall will surely be unforgettable. There are many beautiful locations across the nation where you can go whitewater rafting, so pick a fun location and plan your trip well in advance. You can start in your local area or go somewhere with a great whitewater rafting location. Next at number 2 on the list is, go for a swim. Without a doubt, going for a swim will always be part of any summer bucket list. Swimming is such a great way to beat the summer heat. Enjoy the natural method of cooling off in water rather than spending much of your time indoors in an air-conditioned space. It is also one of the most enjoyable and healthful activities to enjoy with family and friends during summer. Swim in a pool, lake, river, or the ocean. On a sweltering day, enjoy the embrace of wonderful, refreshing water. Splash around or take a leisurely float with your kids. Take advantage of the water nearby by swimming this summer. It's a fun way to stay active. And now, the number 1 on the list is, visit the ocean. It doesn't matter what you will do in the ocean, but for summer's sake, go and visit the ocean. Whether you bathe under the sun, swim in the ocean, watch the sunset, or set up a bonfire, there are just so many things to do in the ocean. Also, the simple act of visiting the ocean can be very therapeutic and can relieve all kinds of stress. But for the full blast of fun, wear your favorite beach wear and splash in the water. Spend the day at the beach enjoying the sun and sand. Take part in a sandcastle building competition, go shelling, or let your inner child out and fly a kite. Enjoy a leisurely sea breeze and the sound of breaking waves while lounging under a beach umbrella. And there you go, those are the ultimate summer bucket list that you should consider in planning your summer. Share with us what you think about this video by leaving a comment below. Please like this video and hit the subscribe button. You can also ring the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our future uploads. So where do you want to go next? See you there in our next video.